Ever wondered how to build your own website for free and in just 1 hour? Well, you're not alone. The digital age has made it possible for anyone, regardless of technical ability, to create a stunning and functional website. All you need is the right tools and a bit of time. In this video, we're going to introduce you to the exciting world of website building. We'll highlight the ease and affordability of today's tools, taking the mystery out of what can seem like a complex process. We'll discuss various platforms and templates and guide you through the process of adding content to your site. And the best part? You don't need to break the bank or spend days doing it. With the right approach, you can have a website up and running in an hour. So, if you're ready, let's dive into the process of building a website in just an hour. The first step in building a website is choosing the right platform. Now, this seems like a simple enough task, but it's actually one of the most crucial decisions you'll make in the process. The platform you choose will ultimately shape the functionality and appearance of your website. And it can either streamline your website building experience or make it a complex labyrinth. Let's take a moment to consider some of the popular free platforms out there. WordPress and Wix, for example, are two giants in the world of website building. Both of these platforms offer a multitude of features that can help you craft a website that's both functional and visually appealing. WordPress, for instance, is a versatile platform that powers more than a third of the world's websites. That's right, from small personal blogs to the largest news sites, WordPress is a favorite among many. Why, you ask? Well, it's largely due to its flexibility. WordPress offers a vast range of themes and plugins, allowing you to customize your site to your heart's content. Plus, it's highly scalable, which means your website can grow along with your business or personal needs. On the other hand, we have Wix. Wix is a user-friendly platform known for its intuitive drag-and-drop interface. This makes it an excellent choice for beginners or those who prefer a more straightforward design process. With Wix, you don't need any coding skills to create a stunning website. It also offers a diverse range of templates, so you can find something that suits your style and purpose. But remember, the right platform is subjective. It's about finding a platform that aligns with your goals, your technical skill level, and the type of website you want to create. It's about weighing the features, the flexibility, and the ease of use, and deciding what matters most to you. Once you've selected a platform, you're ready for the next step, selecting a template. And that, my friends, is a creative journey all on its own. But don't worry, we'll guide you through it in the next scene. Stay tuned. The next step in building your website is selecting a template. Now, you might be wondering what exactly a template is and why it's important. Well, think of a template as the foundation of your website. It's the blueprint that guides the layout, design, and overall look of your site. Templates come in a variety of styles, colors, and designs, each tailored to suit different purposes and aesthetics. For instance, if you're creating a blog, you might go for a template that highlights text and imagery. On the other hand, an e-commerce site might require a template that emphasizes product displays and easy navigation. So, how do you choose the right one? Start by considering your website's purpose. What do you want your visitors to do or feel when they land on your site? The answer to this question will guide your template selection. Next, consider your aesthetic preferences. Do you prefer a minimalist design or something more elaborate? Are you drawn to bold colors or softer hues? The template you choose should reflect your personal style while also appealing to your target audience. But what if you find a template you love, but there are a few elements you're not so keen on? That's where customization comes in. Most website building platforms offer a range of customization options. You can change colors, fonts, and layouts to make the template uniquely yours. Remember, the template is not set in stone. You can always tweak and adjust as you go along. The important thing is to start with a solid foundation that you can build upon. And there you have it. Selecting a template is like choosing the perfect outfit for an occasion. It sets the tone, reflects your style, and serves a specific purpose. So, take your time, explore different options, and choose a template that feels just right for you. With a template in place, you're ready to start populating your website with content. Now that you have a template, it's time to add content to your website. Think of your website as a canvas, and your content as the strokes of paint that bring it to life. Let's start with text. This is where you tell your story, share your message, or provide information about your products or services. The text editor on most platforms lets you format your text just as you would in a word processor. You can choose the font style, size, and color that best fits your website's design. Adding images is just as simple. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words, and on a website, it's no different. High-quality images can make your website more visually appealing and engaging. To add an image, all you need to do is click on the Add Image button and then upload the image file from your computer. If you're looking to add videos, music, or other types of multimedia content, the process is similar. Most platforms have dedicated buttons or options for these types of content. Just like with images, you'll upload the file or paste the link and the platform will do the rest. Now, arranging your content in a user-friendly way is crucial. Remember, the goal is to make it easy for your visitors to find what they're looking for. Start with a clear navigation menu. Then, structure your content so that it flows naturally. This could mean placing your most important information or products at the top of the page, using headers to break up text, and ensuring your images and other media are placed strategically. Remember, less is often more when it comes to website design. Avoid cluttering your pages with too much information or too many images. Instead, aim for a balance that's visually pleasing and easy to navigate. Finally, don't forget to save your work as you go along. You don't want to lose all your effort to a sudden power outage or a glitch in the system. With your content added, you're almost ready to publish your website. Before you publish your website, it's important to preview it. This is where you can see your website through the eyes of your visitors. It's the moment of truth to check if your website looks and functions just as you envisioned it. Previewing your website is like doing a dress rehearsal before the actual performance. It's your opportunity to ensure all the elements are in the right place, links are working, and the overall design is visually appealing. You wouldn't want to serve a half-cooked meal to your guests, would you? The same principle applies here. So how do you go about it? Most website building platforms provide a preview option. Click on it and explore your website. Check every page, click on every link, and ensure the layout adjusts well to different screen sizes. If something doesn't feel right, go back and tweak it. Remember, the devil is in the details. Once you're satisfied with how your website looks and functions, it's time to hit the Publish button. This will make your website live and accessible to everyone on the internet. But don't worry, even after publishing, you can always make changes and improvements. So there you have it. You've reviewed, polished, and perfected your website. Now it's time to share it with the world. Congratulations, you've just built and published your own website in just an hour. Let's quickly recap the steps you've just followed to build your own website. First, you chose an ideal platform that suits your requirements. Then, you selected a template that reflects your brand's personality. After that, you added content, ensuring it's engaging and informative. Finally, you previewed your website, made necessary adjustments, and published it for the world to see. With these tools and steps, you're well equipped to build your own website in no time. Do like and subscribe the channel to show your support.